Meaning of forestall.
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 Forestall. The term forestall means to prevent or hinder something from happening. It can refer to an action taken to stop an event occurring or a situation from worsening. Using various strategies such as anticipating potential problems and taking measures beforehand, people can forestall negative outcomes. By forestalling, people can avoid or mitigate undesirable consequences, which can lead to better results in the long run. Overall, forestalling involves proactive thinking and planning to prevent future issues and secure a more favorable outcome.